Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the PowerUp, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, PowerUp 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach PowerUp 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the PowerUp 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. PowerUp 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully
Hello, new friend. I'm Mo. What's your name?
Developing creativity and imagination is so critical to learning.
They're taking something tangible, like a board and a marker, and then all of a sudden, whatever image they've created is automatically on the screen seconds later.
Could you draw me a magic wand? Draw it down there, then tap here when it's ready.
And I think for kids, and really for adults that are watching, it's almost a sense of wonder.
It amazes me that the engineers at Osmo have found a way to bring to life the things that my kids draw on a pad in front of them, that it shows up on the screen and then is actually used by this little character. I love watching them laugh, like just naturally create something and then be entertained by the thing they created and not just be a spectator, but be engaged.
So now it's time for the really
Big magic!
Oh no.
Sit back and prepare yourself for the grand finale.
In this day and age, I think kids are subjected to so much technology, and a lot of technology is them looking at a screen and pointing and clicking on things. And so I think it's kind of neat to have a piece of technology that not only gets them thinking and creating things, but also make that imagination kind of come to life by drawing it and then seeing it on the screen.
Ta-da! What a show! You were great!
I'll come up with new tricks for our next show. See you soon!
Anki Overdrive. What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor, scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence, equipped with advanced weaponry, designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad, taking you out once again. Anki Overdrive, drive the future.